Back on December 23rd, we posted about UAMY. We went over why I am so bullish on this setup, and so far the stock is up over 35% in the past 2 weeks. And in this video, we're going to talk once again very briefly about why I am so bullish, the position that I'm currently holding within my fund, and my price targets for the next couple of months. Now, the main reason that I was bullish on this in the first place is it's meeting all of our criteria within our two-step trading system. First and foremost, market structure is bullish. We can tell first and foremost because the market bias, which is this indicator that you're going to see here, is currently green. When we are trading above this band, we are bullish. When we are trading below this, we are bearish. The second thing is that we know buying pressure is coming in behind the stock. If we look at the monthly BX trender at the bottom of your screen, it has been green and in a bull cycle from March 2024 until now. And basically, when the buyers are in control, each and every single time that it pulls back into this band is a time to be a buyer, because you're getting a fair value in a bull market, which is what you want to look for as a trader and what our entire strategy is based around. Now, the third reason is because there's a huge support here on the volume profile. So this indicator on the right side of your screen is called the THT volume profile. You can get access to that indicator, the BX trender, and the volume profile for the low cost of free. The link to all of our courses and all of our strategies and all of the indicators are down in the course library for free. No credit card, no BS. We're not going to DM you or email you a bunch. It's literally just free. What this indicator is going to show is buying and selling activity within the past 150 bars. So in this example, we're using a weekly chart. So it's going to show where the most buying and selling has happened in the past 150 weeks. This is very important because these thick areas of volume on the volume profile tend to act as major resistances and supports. And the red level is called the point of control, which represents the largest block of trading in the past 150 weeks, aka very strong support level. So when you look at this, we know that we have a macro bull market with a shitload of buying pressure behind it because the BX is telling us this. The weekly bias is telling us we are in a bull market and we're getting this at a fair price. And more importantly, the point of control is telling us that this is a major support. So when this happens, I am going to buy. Does it mean that we're going to be right? Of course not. But I'm going to take the position anytime that it presents itself. Now, as of the beginning of the new year, I actually started a new public fund with my trading community. And as of January 1st, we took a position in UAMY with only $2,400. Our total cost was actually $1,800, but we're up close to 34%. And this represents about 3% close to of that portfolio. So we are up already about 34% on shares. Now, as far as my price targets, I think worst case scenario, we end up hitting this $9 level. But I really think more importantly, we are probably going to break out another 60 to 80% before any type of potential rejection. There is a big volume block resistance at 13 to 14 and another one at 11 to 12. So maybe I'll take some profits off the table when that happens. But overall, this thing is still set for a huge amount of upside. I hope this video helped. The link is down in the description. Like I said, all the courses are free, but if you do want to implement the strategy with me live and our team, get access to our web application as well as all of our other tools and live stream with me every week. The link to our private Discord community is down below. That's also where you can get access to the portfolio and all of the holdings. But once again, you don't necessarily need it. Everything else is here for free. It's just the implementation that we charge for. I hope the video helps, and I'll see you guys next time.